Go, Jordy. Take your time. Oh, good fish. Take your time, George. Let's get your pressure on. Get the pressure on. Take your time. Don't whine so fast. It's a good fish, Geordie. Take your time. So use it. That's it. Take your time. I'll drive him towards you. Just keep going like that, mate. Keep going. It's a good fish, Geordie. He's going to take off again. Oh, Geordie, it's a massive fish. Take your time. Oh, you don't want to cut the drag. Wait, Geordie. Okay. Oh, Geordie, he's a horse. Okay, lift his head up when I say. Go. Yeah! What a fish! How good's that?
High five, man.
Get the pressure on. Oh, he's a good one, George. Go this way a bit so I can net him. Go that way, mate. That's it. He's a good. Take your time. Take your time. Just let the rod do the work. Pull him up and wind slowly. That's it. Oh, he's illegal. Yeah! Take got him, mate. Back. Take your time. Take your time, mate. I'm going to get you on the camera, mate. Take your time. Walk this way a bit. Wind. Keep your line tight. Wind. Oh, it's a little bream. Oh! Jaws! Oh! He's got one! One. Back it off. Oh, he's a cracking Jordan. Stop. He's a huge fish. Stop whining. Okay, now this way. Stop whining. Then play him out. Okay, now keep the line tight. That's all you got to do. He's a huge fish, Geordie. Okay. He's a massive fish. Okay, now wind slow. Let's keep the pressure on him. Pressure on him. You have him out, take your time, okay? He is a monster. That's it. He's going to do another run, okay? When he runs, wind to it, don't let the line go slack. Just keep the line tight. Okay, good. Run, put the rod in the water, okay? Like that. Down. Stop winding. Oh my God, Jordan. Stop whining, pull it up. Oh. Yeah! Jordy, on the camera and everything. Give me 5, man. That is a cracker. That's almost like 38 to the tip. Look all by yourself. Give me 5, man. I'm proud of you. Look at that.
He is a monster. Oh my God.
Dude, he's a good fish. Keep winding. Don't worry about the cameras. Keep winding. He's a cracker. Oh! Get out of town! Jordy Butler! Another 30 to the fork. Awesome, man. You're on fire.